Kapiʻolani Community College's new food truck is delivering healthy meals to children eligible for free and reduced lunches at 6 meal sites over the summer.
For summer, a lot of times these children and teens, this is the only nutritious meal they have during the day.
The culinary program received donations from the Kaiser Permanente and the Walmart Foundation to support the purchase and refurbishment of the college's Cooking Up a Rainbow health and wellness food truck.
So this one helped us to reach out to the community in a way that we couldn't do that before.
In June, students in the Go Cook program used the truck to deliver the food they had prepared to Kuhio Park Terrace, where it was served by volunteers from Kaiser and Walmart.
I don't know, I just feel awesome. I'm proud of myself that I made the food, and I'm even here to witness them eating it.
The summer food program is also serving as a taste testing opportunity for a statewide farm-to-school lunch menu development project.
You see the happy kids, you know that they're fed and they're healthy and happy. That's all that matters. It keeps us going.
The new food truck will be used for health and wellness year-round. With it, Kapiʻolani Community College and its partners will provide health education and screening and healthy eating and cooking workshops. A delicious recipe for a healthier Hawaii.